If your newer Ford Ranger refuses to crank, don't panic. Here is how to find the root cause in under 3 minutes. Nearly 80% of no-start calls on these trucks trace back to battery or connection issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by confirming your key fob is active and the truck is firmly in park, then verify battery voltage. Corroded terminals or a loose ground strap are common culprits on these Rangers. If the battery checks out, you might be looking at a failed starter motor or a security lockout. Basic electrical maintenance is a DIY job, but internal wiring or computer issues belong at the shop. You can see that simple terminal cleaning costs almost nothing compared to complex wiring repairs. Use an OBDI scanner to pull hidden codes and use a multimeter to check for voltage drops at the starter. Before starting, make sure you have a basic multimeter and an OBDI scanner ready to go. Safety is the priority, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before touching any electrical components. If these steps didn't solve it, check your owner's manual for fuse locations and subscribe for more Ranger tips.